Hello, my name is Leon Teloy and I am responsible for international business at KRAIBURG Relastec. In the next few minutes, I will give you a quick overview of our building protection portfolio and explain how it can make your construction projects safer and more sustainable. Our building protection mats are perfect for flat roofs with PV and technical installation. PV systems, in particular, play a key role in the transformation of the energy sector. Thanks to different laminations such as aluminium, plastic film or fleece, we ensure optimum compatibility with the roof waterproofing membrane. For additional fire protection, we offer both an unlaminated and an aluminium laminated version of our building protection mat with B-Roof T1 classification. Another exciting area of application are green roofs. Optimal use of space for cooling effects, especially in cities, are key elements in sustainable construction. For this area, we offer solutions for utilized green roofs with a thick layer of soil for trees and plants. For unutilized green roofs, we also offer mats with drainage properties. In addition to building protection, impact sound insulation is also required on roof terraces, loggias and balconies. We have had a wide variety of wooden beam and concrete ceiling structures tested for impact sound. We will be happy to send you the brochure on request. We also offer rubber slabs for maintenance paths on flat roofs. They provide high slip resistance and improve fire safety. And they are a sustainable and lightweight alternative to concrete slips. Finally, how do our products improve the sustainability of a building? All KRAITEC building protection mats and slabs are made from 100% recycled rubber granulates, thus protecting the environment. As a company, we are certified according to strict environmental management standards. On request, we calculate the product carbon footprint for each of our products to guarantee planning security in terms of emissions. In addition, we undergo the strict EcoVadis rating every year and achieved silver status in 2024. Please let me know if you have any questions or would like to arrange a personal appointment. I look forward to hearing from you.